Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to review of IQ option trading app. You can log in or sign up with Facebook, Gmail or your mobile number also. After logging or signing up, you will see this is the dashboard of application. Here is the menu bar where you can deposit, withdraw, history, settings, port or even log out. Okay, or here are currencies rate, euro, USD, JPY, or USD, etc. From this chart you can choose how much you want to invest in trading. This bar shows time. Yeah, and the green one, that one is called here you can sell your coins and put here you can buy your coins. Sorry. Okay, this is practice account. This app give you 10,000, sorry, $10,000 in practice account. So I am using practice account. Let's try on $25, and first of all we will call it. Okay, here you can see it will showing a timer of 1 minute. This is the bar of application. Here you will see your coins are going down or up. It is very simple and easy. Just you need to understand the signals etc. If you are expert in signal, you can earn a huge amount from this. So I am checking my luck. Let's check what happened. If I lost 25 or win. Last 30-second timer start. But still I am going and loss of 7, 8. Here you can see they are counting my loss of profit. Let's check. Sorry, very bad, I lost 25. Okay, see you in next video.